Hi, welcome to my channel Learning with Devika. Today is the day 4. We are talking about Booleans in C. Booleans means a value that either true or false. It mainly used for decision making in programming like if condition, loop, and comparison. Different integer to represent Boolean type. In C, Boolean was not available earlier. We are using 0 for false, and other than 0 we are using for true. Here we are given as is true. We are declaring is true for value 1 is false for 0. Here is the code. So int we are declaring age is equal to 25 value is adult, age is greater than 17. If it is age is greater than 17, it is true. It means 1. If it is false, if it is less than 17 means it will print as false, that is 0. That is 25 is greater than 17, so it will print as 1. Boolean in modern C, starting with C19, you can include standard Boolean either to use Boolean type. So after C19, we can from C19 we can use. So we are in this stdbool.h. Bool. We should always use bool here also. After we will use either is true. We are declaring and initializing. On here bool is true is student is equal to true because here it is true. So it will here it will be 1. If it is false, here it will be 0. We will get as output. So here we are given as true. It will be printed as 1. To decide pass or fail, there is a code. If int marks is equal to 50, bool pass marks is greater than 40. If it is marks is greater than 40, it will print pass. If or else it will print as fail. Here 50 is greater than 40, so it will print as pass. We get as pass as output. Boolean from condition int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, bool result is less than b. Here 10 is less than 20, it is true. Logical operation hand or not. Boolean x true, boolean y is equal to false, printf percentage d x and y. That is, we know what is logical operation, and if both the conditions are true, it will be true. If any one condition fails, it will be false. In OR operation, if both the conditions are true and if any one condition is true, it will be true. If both the conditions are false, it will be false. In not, it will be if it is false, it will print as true. If it is true, it will print as false. Here we are using AND operation, so if the both condition true, it will be true. So here it is false, so it will be false. That means 0. We can solve some questions about Boolean. What value does is adult hold after this code runs? Int declaring age, initializing it to 15, is adult age greater than 17. If it is greater than 17, it is true, it will print 1. If it is false, it will print 0. Here 15 greater than 17, it is false, so it will print 0. Which header must be included to use the bool type in C? We know the standard bool.h. In C, the value minus 5 would be considered true in Boolean context. 0 for false, other than 0 for will be true. It is true then. C has a built-in Boolean data type available without including any header. C doesn't have any built-in data type, and we are using header from C66. Complete the code to define a Boolean like variable that represents false. Int is completed. False means that is 0 values. Here is a question that set age variable to 16. Int age 16. Then create a program that checks whether the person is old enough to drive if age is greater than or equal to 18. If it is true, means 1 for true and 0 for false. We store in the result. And the variable called can drive and print both the age and the result. Shall we solve Boolean in VS Code? Here they ask the question that we should use integer variable name age is 16, and we should uh, check that age is greater than or equal to 18. If it is true, we should print as 1. If it is false, we should print as 0. Then it should be stored as e can type. We should print the age and the result. So here if the age is 16, so 16 is not greater than or equal to 18. So it will print 0 because it is false. So when we get yes, age is 16 can drive 0. Thank you for watching. Follow for more coding journey.